Hello everyone. So today I'm going to start a video about we have to learn the new features of C#. So the first feature we are talking about that is required members. So let me write here the feature one. Feature one, that is required member. Right. So let me create a class, public class person. Right. I've created a class person. Then let me write a property string, then name here. Right, so this is the string property. Now let me do one thing, that make this property required. First, what we do, just need to create the variable of person equal to new person class, and that is fine. So let me do this here. Right. Okay, so there is no problem here. Oh, sorry. So you can see here is the we have created this constructor. There is no issue. Now let me make this property required. So as we created the property required, so you will see there is the red mark is there, and that is saying that required members person.name must be set in the object initializer, right? So for that, what we can do, we have to initialize the object name. So name equal to, you can say Manoj is there. So if Manoj is there, so you can see the problem is solved. There is no problem. Now, if you have a constructor store of the same class, if you have a constructor of the same class, and that is parameterized constructor, string name. So you can see here name. So you can initialize the name here. Right now you again see the issue is again happening, that there is no argument given the person to required parameter. Uh, so what we can do, we can create the object like this, right? And we have to add the name. So as I add the name, I am still getting the same issue, right? So to resolve this issue, you have to add the set at required member attribute here, right? Now there is no issue, and if you want to redline this one, so what you can do, console dot writeline person, right? So you can person is there, right? So you can do one thing. Let me set this the startup project, and let me run the program here. Yes, the person is there, right? Class person is there. So that is the new feature, right? So that is the thing for, that is the new thing for today. So in the next class or the session, we will talk about the row string letter, right? Thank you for today.